Hi Sam. I'm excited to see you today. Are you ready to learn a new German word?
Hi Alex. Yes, I'm ready. What word are we learning today?
Today's word is
noch,
It's a very versatile word in
Deutsch,
What does it mean?
noch,
can mean still, yet, or another. The most common meaning is still. It's interesting because it can also be confusing for English speakers since
noch,
doesn't have a direct one-word translation in English.
Oh, I see. So how would I use it in a sentence?
Good question. For example, you can say,
ich habe noch Zeit.
which means I still have time. In another context, you could say,
Hast du noch Fragen?
meaning, do you have any more questions?
Can you tell me more about how to use?
Noch.
Grammatically.
Absolutely.
Noch,
Is an adverb, so it doesn't change form like nouns or verbs do. It's used to modify verbs, adjectives, or even other adverbs. For example, in
es ist noch früh.
which means it is still early,
Noch,
modifies the adjective.
früh.
And what about past tense? Can
Noch.
be used there too.
Yes. You would still use
Noch,
in the past. For instance, you could say,
ich hatte noch Zeit.
meaning I still had time.
That's helpful.
Now, let's explore where the word
Noch,
comes from. Its roots can be traced back to Old High German, where it was,
no,
and it has maintained a similar meaning throughout the centuries.
That's fascinating. So it hasn't changed much over time.
Exactly. Its meaning has remained remarkably consistent, which is quite rare for many words.
Can you break down?
Noch.
For me.
Sure. However,
noch,
is a standalone word and doesn't have prefixes or suffixes. Think of it as a Lego brick that stands on its own.
Got it.
Now, let's look at some similar words. For instance, there are words that also function as adverbs. You have,
schon,
which means already, and
mehr,
meaning more. Both can often be used in conjunction with.
noch,
So, how would those look in sentences?
Great question. You could say,
ich habe schon gegessen.
which means I already ate, and
Ich möchte mehr.
meaning I want more.
Interesting.
Other examples include
weniger,
meaning less and
bald,
which means soon. They all help to clarify the timing or quantity of something.
Can we practice using
noch,
in real-life situations?
Definitely. Let's imagine you're at a cafe. You might say,
ich möchte noch einen Kaffee,
meaning I would like another coffee. Can you try that?
ich möchte noch einen Kaffee.
Perfect. Now, imagine you're at a party. You could say,
hast du noch etwas zu essen?
which means, do you have anything to eat still? Your turn.
Hast du noch etwas zu essen?
Well done. Lastly, think about a situation at work. You could say,
Ich habe noch keine Antwort bekommen.
which means I haven't received an answer yet.
Ich habe noch keine Antwort bekommen.
Now let's discuss the gender for.
Noch,
Since it's an adverb, it doesn't have a gender. But if we think of nouns like
das noch,
meaning the stillness, we can see how it relates to the adverb.
So there's no gender issue to worry about.
Exactly. Just remember the context in which you use it.
Are there any usage notes I should keep in mind?
Yes.
noch,
Is generally informal, but can be used in formal settings too. Common collocations include
noch nie,
meaning not yet and
noch einmal,
meaning once more. Be careful not to confuse it with
nochmals,
which also means again, but is slightly more formal.
I'll keep that in mind.
Let's look at some example sentences. You can say,
ich bin noch hier,
which means I am still here. Or,
wir haben noch viel zu tun.
meaning we still have a lot to do.
Those are good examples.
Another one would be,
Das Wetter ist noch schön.
which translates to the weather is still nice.
I see how useful this word is.
Now, let's do a quick recall check. What does
Noch,
mean?
It means still or yet.
Correct. Can you give me a sentence using
noch,
Ich habe noch Zeit.
perfect? What's the past tense of using?
noch,
I think it's
Ich hatte noch Zeit.
Right again. What's a common phrase with
noch,
Noch nie.
exactly? And lastly, what's a situation where you would use
noch,
at a cafe, to say I would like another coffee.
fantastic job today, Sam. To sum it up,
noch,
is a versatile adverb meaning still or yet, and can be used in many contexts. Keep practicing, and you'll master it in no time.
Thanks, Alex. I really enjoyed learning about.
Noch.
I'll practice using it more.